Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got SheModern Old Meets New collaboration. Our theme is Halloween. Yay! I've got Moonshine Manny here, and this is called Castle Walls from the Dupe It project. And I've got on my Painted Desert short square nails, and they've got on some of the Anchor and Heart sticky base coat. So here we go with our first coat of Castle Walls. Cut my free edge there, yes. And here we go with the second coat. And this one might need 3, I don't know, we'll see. You might could get away with 2, I don't know. When in doubt, go ahead and slap that third one on there, you know what I'm saying? Awesome. Yep, gonna go with that third coat. So pretty. I love that olive green with the gold. We're going to top it with I&Ms out the door. Gonna get this to dry down. It's going to take a minute because I got 3 coats on my nails. But that's okay. We got time. And look at that. Isn't that pretty? Alright, so I'm going to top it with Anchor and Heart Sea Glass Fairy Slipper Matte Top Coat. When I'm playing with the SheModern Sticky Stampin' Polish and the dust or the powders, I like to use that. Isn't that pretty? Matted. So we got Maniology here. Another Maniology M056. And this is another gorgeous Halloween plate. I love this one. So many cute images. Got this huge buffet side over on the side where you can pick and choose. And then you've got a bunch of you know, like full nail designs. We've got the opaque white sticky stampin' polish from SheModern and the shimmer white bright metallic pearl dust. I got my Faber-Nails stamper out and my H. La Cosadora scraper. So we're going to get started here. And today we're doing little ghosties on the nails. Yep, they're going to be so cute. Now remember, when you're playing with these stamping polishes, you don't have to be in a big fat hurry, and I like that. Here we go, gonna put that one on there. Yes, indeed. And you got time to clean your stamper and your stamping plate and everything while you let that sit for a moment. Got my cleanup done around my finger. And now we're tapping in that beautiful white dust, glitter dust. Glitter powder. Yum. And I'm going to leave it on there and let it congeal and stick and all that while I carry on. Going to get this other image here. Pick it up real quick. And apply that one to the nail. Alright. Got my cleanup done. We're going to do the tap, tap, tapping on the bottom of the bottle to dispense the product. Tapping it into the polish. Not being too crazy with it because you don't want to smudge the image. And here we go. We're carrying on with some more. Aren't these cute? I was so happy to see this ghost plate. That's what I'm going to call it. It's so cute. There we go. We're going to get that one on there. And I have enough left over. I'm just going to plop that on the pinky nail. There we go. Got that cleaned up. We're going to get into the tapping and powdering here. I didn't clean up that pinky fingernail around the skins. I don't know why. Crazy girl. She's losing her mind. Then we're going to tap those into the polish. Get them to stick really nice. I'm going to clean my finger off here on my lint roller. Isn't that pretty? I love seeing that. Oh. And while those are sticking and congealing and all that, I'm going to clean up my mess here. I'm cleaning my plate with some acetone. And then wiping it with a lint-free wipe. Then we're going to pull that plate up and clean up that little silicone mat. Alright, I'm going to get a paper towel out to catch the fallout of me dusting these off. Da, 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 da. And that's a pretty soft brush, so I wasn't too worried about, you know, messing it up. And like normal, I'm going in with a piece of tape. This is getting up any excess polish and some of that glitter. And that white, shimmery white beautifulness. And then I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush. I treat this just like any other normal mani. I just clean it up the same way. There we go. Get that all done. Ta-da! Loving it. And well, now that that's totally dry and everything, we're going to cover it with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And then once that's dry, I'm going in with my Posh top coat to finish this one off. There it is. Loving it. Could have gone a little further on that one side, but I think it's okay. There we go. And here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.